बाकी बताऊँ
पता नहीं इतने कम समय में परीक्षा की तैयारी कैसे करूँगा। मैं तो बस इनसे परेशान होकर कर लूँगा।
धार्मिक गाना गाती हूँ, म्यूजिक और डांस।
गुड मॉर्निंग साहिल, सब ठीक है?
मैम, मुझे माफ कर दीजिए। मैंने आज परेशान
मैं धार्मिक गाना गाती हूँ, म्यूजिक और डांस।
याद आ गई तो मुझे पता था कि इंसान को ईमानदारी करनी चाहिए। सच्चाई को आगे बढ़ाने
हाँ माँ, मुझे पूरी तरह से माँ को देखो, मैं धार्मिक गाना गाती हूँ, म्यूजिक और डांस करती हूँ।
अंतरा, तुमने दो अलग-अलग तरह के रिबन बांध रखे हैं।
हाँ माँ, मुझे दोनों रंग पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने दोनों को साथ पहना है।
ठीक है, चलो अभी तुम खुश रहो। चलो अपना लंच बॉक्स दो।
कोई मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा, शायद मैं इनके ग्रुप में रहने के लायक नहीं हूँ। सबके पास सुंदर सुंदर टिफिन है और सब साथ में खाना खाते हैं। कोई भी अपना खाना मेरे साथ नहीं बांटता। मैं बहुत अकेला महसूस करती हूँ।
हेलो अंतरा, क्या तुम मेरे साथ बाहर चलना चाहोगी? क्या तुम ठीक हो बेटा? मैंने देखा कि तुम कुछ परेशान हो। सब ठीक तो है?
मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है। मैं अपने आप को बहुत अकेला महसूस करती हूँ। जब भी मैं इन सबको एक दूसरे के साथ बात करते, खेलते और गाना गाते सुनती हूँ, मुझे लगता है मैं उनके ग्रुप का हिस्सा कभी नहीं बन सकती। कोई भी मुझसे बात नहीं करता, कोई मुझसे अपनी टिफिन भी नहीं बांटता। मैं हमेशा अकेले खाती हूँ।
अंतरा, मुझे लगता है कि तुमने अपने मनोभावों को व्यक्त किया। तुम्हारी माँ ने पौष्टिक खाना दिया है, जो कि एक सुंदर टिफिन बॉक्स से कहीं बेहतर है। मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि कई बार ये तुम्हारे लिए काफी कठिन होता है, लेकिन तुम्हारे अंदर ऐसी परिस्थितियों में भी सकारात्मक तरीके से कार्य करने की क्षमता है। तुम अकेले नहीं हो, तुम अपने चुने तरीकों से ऐसे मनोभाव से कर सकती हो।
मेरी माँ कहती है कि जब भी कभी मैं अपनी भावनाओं को नियंत्रित न कर पाऊँ तो इस गाने को गाऊँ और इससे मुझे सुकून मिलता है।
ओह, इसलिए तुम कोने में बैठकर ये गुनगुना रही थी। गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कृपया ध्यान दीजिए। प्रतियोगिता आयोजित करवा रहा है। अगर आप इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ आए और कक्षा के लिए कुछ पंक्तियाँ गाएं। ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं। अच्छा प्रयास बच्चों। और कोई? अंतरा, क्या तुम कक्षा को अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाना चाहोगी?
जरा उसके बालों को तो देखो।
वो तो अलग-अलग रंगों के रिबन बांधे हुए हैं, कितनी बेवकूफ है।
मैम कितनी अच्छी है, मेरी मदद करती है। माँ ने मुझे प्रेरणा दी जिसके कारण आज मैं अच्छा गा सकती हूँ। मैं अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा सकती हूँ।
अंतरा ने अपने चुनौतीपूर्ण मनोभावों को नियंत्रित किया। जैसे वो अपनी कक्षा के सम्मुख खड़ी हुई थी, उसी ऊर्जा के साथ फिर से वो अंतर विद्यालय गायन प्रतियोगिता में अपनी चमक बिखेरने को तैयार है। वाह, इस लड़की की कितनी बेहतरीन आवाज है। मुझे बहुत पसंद आया इसका गाना। ये हमारी बेटी है। मनोभावों को समझना और नियंत्रित करना बहुत जरूरी है। हमारी देखने, सुनने, छूने और सोचने की क्षमताओं की ही तरह महसूस करने की क्षमता भी आत्म जागरूकता के लिए उतनी ही महत्वपूर्ण है। मनोभावों को व्यक्त करने की क्षमता किशोरावस्था में बहुत मायने रखती है। जिस उम्र में किशोर भावनात्मक दबाव का सामना करते हैं, हमेशा याद रखें आप अकेले नहीं हैं और आपको अपनी भावनाएं दूसरों से साझा करनी चाहिए। आपके भीतर प्रेम और सहयोग की भावना है और आपका मानसिक स्वास्थ्य व भावनात्मक भलाई बहुत मायने रखती है।
So, second module is emotional well-being and mental health.
Excuse me, miss.
Next. So, introduction is what? The objective of the model is develop awareness about mental health skills, develop emotional well-being in self, and fostering and supporting one another in developing positive attitudes and accessing help when required. Build awareness around various emotions and expressions, identification their own and their peers' personal strengths and skills to win stressful situations and seek help when it is required. So these are the activities we will discuss in this second module. First is knowing my emotions. Method is brainstorming, discussion on situations. Second, managing challenging emotions, discussion and role play. Short, SWOT, identifying strengths, weakness, analysis. My core strengths, I have, I am, and I can. That is group discussion. Understanding mental health, analysis of situations, discussion. And last, mindfulness, mindful living, mindfulness exercise. So, shall we start the first activities? Knowing my emotions. In this activity, we will discuss demonstrates the ability to identify various emotions in different situations. These are the situations. First, it is your birthday and all your friends are about to come to your place for a party. Second, your examination results have just been announced and your marks are much lower than what you had expected. Third, your little brother has not come home from tuition and it is getting dark. You heard your close friend saying something bad about you to another friend. The teacher scolded you in front of the whole class. You saved a little puppy from being hit by a vehicle. You are trying to save the time on the wall clock at home, but it fell down and broke. You go home in school. You got got hurt in school, your friends came to pick up and they sat by you, take care of you. You participated in a singing competition, your name had been announced as the winner and you are going towards the stage to receive your prize. Your little sister screamed in your school notebook with a crayon. When you open your school bag at the end of the exam, in the term, you find a beautiful card made by your friend. And last, you are not sure which chapters are included for the test to be held tomorrow. These are the situations you are facing. Now, summary of discussion: emotions are part of everyone's life. Nobody is aloof from the emotion. They are neither good nor bad, but how they are expressed is more important. Developing awareness of emotions is a skill that builds over the time and needs to be practiced, and becoming aware of our emotions and leveling them is the first step in managing challenging emotions. PPT 2 is managing challenging emotions. Express how emotions are expressed in healthy and unhealthy ways. Demonstrate skills to express emotions in healthy ways. Identify and describes weakness and strength in self, and demonstrates understanding of how one can use strengths to everyone. Next. Now, situation is one. Malvika is an excellent kabaddi player. However, her name did not appear this time in kabaddi tournament to the head in the village. When Malvika heard about this, she went to the village headman and fought with him. First, what are the emotional feelings of Malvika? What does Malvika wish to do in the situation? Did you consider her actions healthy or unhealthy at the present situation? Will she be able to fulfill her desire by the kind of actions she is showing towards the teacher? And last, what is the healthy way of behaving this kind of situation?
एक्चुअली एक सिचुएशन है कि मालिका एक लड़की है जो कबड्डी खेलने में एक्सीलेंट है, बहुत अच्छी कबड्डी की खिलाड़ी है, लेकिन उसका सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ। तो जब उसका सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ तो वो कबड्डी तो वो गांव के मुखिया के पास गई, जो कि सिलेक्शन टीम का हेड था, उसको वो जाके फिर झगड़ा की लिटरली कि आप मुझे क्यों नहीं लिए, राइट ना। तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये सारा चीज़ है, उसके साथ उसने झगड़ा किया मालविका। तो क्वेश्चन ये है, व्हाट आर द इमोशनल फीलिंग ऑफ मालविका? मालविका के अंदर में क्या चल रहा था जो कि उसको वो लेवल तक ले गई कि वो जाके के झगड़ा करे?
She compared to other players. Maybe she was the good player, so that she has not lost. So she has got guilty, and they try to approach to some help people, so somebody can help to go to tournament. This situation came to overconfidence because of she was good player. When people not getting selection in any tournament, they want to know why she has not got to name in the tournament. That was your purpose. She had overconfidence.
He is good in English as well as a very good commentator of our.
Malvika had anger, and because of that she went to Mukhia and expressed her anger.
No, everybody had emotions, but is the right way taken by Malvika to consult the village headman, that was right or wrong? Everybody had emotions, but at that time you have to control our emotions. The way was, yes.
Now, no, I'm not Malvika, but I can understand her feeling now. This is called very strong of a child. Like she is feeling very low, depressed, that she has not been selected for that kabaddi went and fought with the Mukhia. Right, ma'am?
Okay, we can understand this situation. You are the head boy of the village and you are the Malvika. So play the role, please. Play the role.
Come Malvika.
Yes.
So, sir, why did you
And please, to the situation, Malvika is in that emotion, the anger mood, and
Good morning, Malvika. How are you?
Sir, not good because
Okay, what happened to you? Why you came here?
I'm a good player, excellent player of Kabaddi, but you didn't select me for this time. I want to know the reason.
Now I just want to justify my explanation is not given.
Should we also respect now?
Hello, Malvika. How are you?
Hello, sir, but this fellow is not from my core of my card.
What happened?
Because this is very unfair to me. You did unfair to me.
What? I know you are a very good player, but I also have to give opportunity to others. Now you are not playing.
No, sir. Sorry to interrupt you in the middle, but I'm a good not excellent player of Kabaddi. But you didn't select me this time. I wanted to know the result then and there.
Okay. I not selected you as a player, but you have a major important role for this game, for this village. That now you have to.
But sir, I performed very well.
Boss, listen to me. I want to explain you. Just have listen. I want to explain you. Listen. In this game, you are not playing. It doesn't.
No,
mean-
sir. But I think no one is better than me.
When I said you are inferior than anyone, just listen to me. What I am
You
going to say.
didn't say that, but it shows in this selection that you didn't select me. And you selected the other, who is not the deserving person. And I am the deserving person.
Please be quiet. First, listen to me. What I am going to say. Let me complete or finish my sentence. Then you will feel very joy. Now, please have patience and listen to me. You are not playing in this game as a player.
Sorry, sir, once again to interrupt you, but I know I am the excellent player and you didn't select me. My one question is, why didn't you select me? You should have given me the next chance or another chance.
Now you are irritating me. Now I am going to.
Because I get irritated of this result.
Listen. The most important thing is that the discipline is the most important thing in any game. You are going to miss another chance. I want to give a chance to you, but now your indisciplined activity or indisciplined behavior, I am throughout rejecting you, and it's my authority. So now you go and sit down. Please go out.
thank you. Good efforts made by both of you. Now, the second is
But now you come.
Mr. Samitra.
She is with you. Suppose Malvika came with her friend. Now I went to send you back. You know what I was planning for Malvika? I wanted to be her as a coach. I know she is a very good player. So she proved herself already that she is good. She is excellent. I agree with you. But it is our responsibility also that we have to find out some more good players. So that's why I was trying to make or appoint her as a coach, not as a player. This is I wanted for her improvement. But just because of her indisciplined activity, I just rejected her and I just eliminated from all the activities. The prime factor, is the discipline. Without discipline, no one can play, no one can deserve any Understood? You make her to understand this. If she willing to be a coach, then make her understand. Then again you come with your friend. Only problem is not enough. I want to solution also.
Actually, Malvika has a reason to be angry. So many excuses given by the village head, but it's not fair because he has not informed. There is no any competition organized before the selection of the chief. Another thing, if village head is one to make him work coach of the team, he has to inform officially. It's not fair. And really that girl is going to you and you are telling you are impolite, indisciplined, and your behavior is not good according to the sports spirit. It's not fair for the village head. You are not a master of that village. You are not, you have not, you are working at the dictatorship. This is not your right. You are selected by the villagers and you have to inform officially, yes, I have chosen you, selected you as a coach. It's not idea when she is going to you to ask the reason, you are telling, I have defended you as a coach.
May I, sir? Actually, this is the process, right? Now, village head was sitting and she came with the complaint, right? Now, if her arrogance I accept as a head of the village, I accept her emotion for the kabaddi, I accept her all the eagerness and all the willingness, all the desire for the, but at last, the discipline is the most important. If I am selected or elected head of any institution, then automatically some authority comes to me. Initially that head listen carefully. She tried and in the conclusion, you missed that conclusion. In the conclusion, village head called her friend and again he given an indirect invitation or offer that I am going to make you a coach. That is how part you missed. That's why I am knowing that. That's why I know it.
Okay, thank you. I just explaining briefly. Situation is given to your module, and module is what? We should control our emotions or behavior. So whatever the emotions you have, either in the form of the angry or either in any form, just you have to maintain your emotions and try to control yourself, then you will be able to make your goals. That is the purpose. Okay, next. Now, second situation 2 is Anima cleared the class 8 examination yesterday. Suddenly, her parents informed her that she will not go to school from the next day. Instead, she will go to work. Anima was very upset, but she did not utter a word. She regretted all the time. She dreamed of going to college and blamed her parents for not understanding her desires. She decided she will never again tell them her wishes again. Situation 3. Tonsta is very fond of music and loves to sing. Yesterday, when the class teacher announced an inter-class singing competition, Tonsta's eyes filled with excitement. Today, his expression was different. Just before the performance, Tonsta's hands became sweaty, his heartbeat went up, and he started feeling confused. He kept going to the washroom as he was very uncomfortable, and he stood waiting for his turn. He started thinking he would forget the lyrics of the song he had prepared. He decided to withdraw his name from the performance list and did not sing in the competition. Both persons understand? Now question. Sir. Situation 2. Who will explain? Situation 2. Right. Situation 2. In that situation 2, what will you react?
Amina just cleared her gate and her parents is saying that now you from tomorrow onwards you will not go to school.
Because we have to prepare for the examination on that night itself, parents say, or not to go to school because that is what they will do. What we want to continue again, but try to convince the parents that what is the examination and why they are stopping at school. Try to convince them to go that way, but here this idea is really never down for parents. It's the right about it. What was everyone supposed to try to convince the parents to do and those who want to buy what is the business of examination we have to now situation 3, who will explain situation 3? Ma'am?
सिचुएशन 3 ये कह रहा है कि एक लड़का है, उसको गाने के लिए बुलाया गया, सिलेक्शन हुआ है, लेकिन उसको इतना नर्वस हो गया कि बार बार टॉयलेट जा रहा है, बार बार जा रहा है और वो लग रहा है कि वो गाना का लिरिक्स भूल जाएगा। अब वो क्या करे, ठीक है, और उसको लग रहा है हम गाए ही नहीं।
बच्चे को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, इसके लिए हम लोग उसको प्रोत्साहित करेंगे और उसका एक एक्शन देख के हमको समझना है कि बच्चे को क्या दिक्कत है, इसके अनुसार हम उसको हेल्प करेंगे।
The one way he has a willingness and desire to perform, but at the same time he has lack of confidence and stage fear, which he did not practice before that. I know my emotions and the weaknesses, and if I practice to overcome from that, I will able to proceed.
If you have the lack of confidence, you must have to boost up yourself and try to face the challenges, try to bring at the most. Next. So summary is, emotions are a natural response to situation in life. They are neither good nor bad. How they get expressed is important. Managing emotions is the ability to identify, label and express, and you have to manage anyhow the emotions. Next. Third is very important, SWOT, identifying state. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. SWOT. So in this activity, we will identify and describe own weakness and strength. Everybody has some strength and some weaknesses. Demonstrates and understanding how one can use own strength and to overcome challenging situations. Identifies and describes areas of improvement and identifies people who can support in developing one's strengths further. Next. This is short, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Next. Next. Activity 4. My core strength, I have, I am or I can. I have, I am and I can. Explain how lifestyle contribute towards long-term health and well-being. This one is identification of the strength. If I say I am, what will be? Internal personal strengths, feelings, attitudes and beliefs that can be strengthened by support. For example, I am honest and I believe that we should work hard if we want to achieve our dreams. That is I am. And what I have, external support resources help that promotes resilience and well-being. I have a loving aunt who supports and guides me. I have two close friends with whom I share everything. And what I can, social and interpersonal skills learned or acquired by interacting with others. I am able to express my feelings and needs with people around me. Most of my peers trust me. So these are the I am, I have or I can. Next. Understanding mental health recognizes that mental health and well-being exist a long continuum. It identifies signs of distresses in self and others, accesses and provides timely support to maintain then restore well-being. Now, this is a statement. I did badly in my exam and I have been feeling like a failure recently. That is discouraged. I keep thinking that life is not worth living. Illness. I know my strength and limitations. Well-being. Since last month, I find that I have lost interest in everything. That is illness. I can adjust to any new situations. Well-being. I sometimes feel very confused about what to do. That is distress. I hurt myself when I feel sad or anxious. Illness. I am able to face challenges. Well-being. I have been feeling sad for the last 2 days and I miss my sister who has gone to a different city to study. That is distress. And I feel so nervous that I have stopped going to school. Also that is illness. Now, these are the summaries. The state of mental health and well-being can keep changing along a continuum. When faced with everyday challenges, a person could move along the continuum from state of well-being of distress. Some people in the state of distress might require timely help and support from family to return to the state of well-being, while others might require professional help. On a personal level, one should not hesitate in seeking professional help and should not make fun of someone who is seeking help or mental health concern. Next. So this one is mindfulness. Mindful being mindful living. Physical, emotional, mental and spiritual. We must have the moments of resilience. Demonstrate physically flexibility, endurance and strength. Now, here. Can yoga or meditation be a part of our daily life routine? Can yoga be our daily life routine? Why? Why yoga or any meditation to be a part of our daily life routine?
The question is, can yoga meditation be the part of our daily life routine? Yes, it should be. Now, some of us are practicing yoga and we can feel that mentally and physically we are fit to work for the day.
Good. How can we practice mindfulness? Mindfulness, how can we practice?
योगा से ही होगा.
Yoga se hoga. Or any more meditation, yoga. Apart from these two, yoga and meditation, is there anything that have created mindfulness? Other ways to have mindfulness? Yes.
In yoga also we need concentration.
Concentration, okay, yes.
Yes, in meditation also we need concentration.
Yes.
So these two things go together side by side. Yoga, when we do yoga, our
No, these are the two things. I am asking about, is there anything which have the creating mindfulness apart from this?
Hard work, hard food, and complete rest.
Sir, can you describe what is mindfulness?
Yes, totally completed peace. Mindfulness and phrase. Yes. Power.
Listening to music, sir.
Very good answer. Listening music, that is the very important word. Yes, sports also. Yes. Now, what are the benefits of exercise on mental health and well-being? Mental health and well-being exercise. Yes. What are the benefits of exercise in mental health and well-being?
It causes many diseases, mental diseases as well as physical diseases.
Good. Any more answers, sir? From that side?
It also helps to relieve or reduce your stress. Deepak sir.
Because tomorrow's topic is
yoga can boost up our mind. It is the medicine for the whole day. We can do our duty sincerely by the yoga.
Yes, sir.
healthy body or healthy mind. If you are physically fit, then you are mentally also strong.
Good. Next.
Rabindranath Tagore said, healthy mind lies in the healthy body only.
Now, summary of discussion: yoga. There are two ways to deal with challenging emotions and stress. Regular practice of simple relaxation exercises and mindfulness helps us cope up with stress. That is yoga. Next. Thank you. Next. Yes. Now we are going on third module. What the third module? Interpersonal relationship. That is also very useful.
बड़ा सवाल है, इसको पता नहीं। क्वेश्चन ये है ना सर कि जैसे अगर ये सारा टॉपिक है वेल वीक है तो हम कितना परसेंटेज वेटेज देंगे अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में या फिर एक स्टूडेंट की लाइफ का अगर वेटेज दिया जाए तो कितना वेटेज देना चाहिए वेल वीक का?
वेटेज की तो यहाँ बात ही नहीं है, हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। जैसे पहला पॉइंट था ग्रोइंग ऑन हेल्दी, उसके हेल्दी के लिए क्या क्या चीजें सिचुएशन है। सेकंड था इमोशनली, हम अपने इमोशन को कैसे वेल्दी में
समाप्त नहीं बचा। सवाल ये है कि अगर मान लीजिए आप जिस तरह से हम आए ना, वो लगता है बहुत ही अति आवश्यक चीज है एक इंसान के लिए, अति आवश्यक चीज है। लेकिन अगर हम प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ में देखें तो हमारा सब्जेक्ट कुछ और ही बोलता है। हम जो रियल लाइफ में पढ़ाते हैं क्लास में उसमें इसको एक मेन सिलेबस में क्यों डालते हैं, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा होगा स्टूडेंट।
सर आपको पता होना चाहिए जितने भी ये चीजें हैं सारे जो है वो सीबीएसई के पोर्टल पर रखे गए हैं। क्योंकि
बात अलग है,
प्रैक्टिस में है स्कूलों में तो इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जा रहा है कि इस तरह के सिचुएशन अगर क्लास क्रिएट होता है तो आप बच्चों को काउंसिल कीजिए, समझाइए, बताइए, तभी तो स्कूल में रहेगा। स्कूल में क्यों रहेगा? स्कूल में हर स्कूल में एक एक्सटर्नल कंपल्सरी अपॉइंट करना है, उसका वही वर्क है कि पूरे वेलनेस को जागरूक कर लोगों को आपको बताया, आप बच्चों को बताया। क्योंकि स्कूल एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ बच्चे रेगुलरली आते हैं और उनको हम ट्रेन कर देंगे तो वो बच्चे अपने घर पर जाकर अपने माता पिता को ट्रेन करेंगे। इसलिए स्कूल से स्टार्ट किया, उसको ऐड किया। वेलनेस की बात नहीं है, फॉर द वेलनेस।
अगर if you see the routine of the school, 100 में से 90 स्कूल को आपने लीजिएगा, 90 नहीं 95 स्कूल को लीजिएगा, तो ये मतलब नगण्य है। मतलब आप
सर नगण्य है, इसलिए नगण्य है कि हम उस चीज को फॉलो करते हैं। अभी जो है कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम से बीएससी ने लॉन्च क्यों किया? जब तक हम आपको कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग नहीं करेंगे या बच्चों को कैसे, ये क्या है ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस, क्या है रेगुलर इनहैंसमेंट है। कुछ नया चीज आप सीखेंगे वही जाकर बच्चों को आप बताएंगे, पर्पस यही है। इसलिए उसने कंपल्सरी किया है कि नहीं 50 आवर्स पहले हम आपका कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करेंगे, देन आप स्कूल में क्लास में जाकर के बच्चों को कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करेंगे। यही पर्पस ट्रेनिंग को रियल फॉर्म में। अब जो नहीं ले रहा है वो बात है, लेकिन लेना है।
5-6 सब्जेक्ट है जैसे हमारा ना इंग्लिश, मैथ, ये सारा 5 हम रोज लेते हैं, इसके बिना स्कूल चलेगा नहीं, इसके बिना जिंदगी नहीं चलेगी। जो आप जिस तरह से सिखा रहे हैं क्या इसको एक साथ एज ए सब्जेक्ट मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एज ए सब्जेक्ट तो पार्ट ऑफ करिकुलम
सब्जेक्ट में ही है। जब आप प्रोफेशनल सब्जेक्ट पर स्किल में जाएंगे, हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस का दिया होगा वो हमें लागू करना है अपने क्लास में। स्किल को क्या किया गया है एडिशनल सब्जेक्ट में अभी से लाया जा रहा है ताकि आगे जाकर बच्चा +2 तक पूरा हो सके।
थैंक यू सर।
Was the International Yoga Day yesterday, so I would like to request you to conduct a yoga today here. Meditation, will do meditation?
Yes.
Why don't you go to the theory? We can do practical. Yes, sir. Practical we will do.
Yes, we can. further. Those who want, there is no any contestant. Those who want, please come and have start the yoga. Okay? Now, model number 3, interpersonal relationship. Please watch this. Yes.
मैं अगले सप्ताह होने वाली वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता के लिए पढ़ रही हूँ। ओह, यानी तुम्हें स्कूल भेजना पर्याप्त नहीं था। हम लड़कियों को पलटकर जवाब देना भी सिखा रहे हैं। इससे तो हमारा समय कहीं बेहतर था। लड़कियों की जल्दी शादी कर दी जाती थी और वे खाना पकाना, साफ सफाई जैसे काम संभालती थी। हमें दिव्या की शादी के लिए लड़का देखना चाहिए। अभी वो बच्ची है माँ, मैं अपने बच्चों को जब तक वे चाहे तब तक पढ़ने दूंगी। वो ज्यादा पढ़ लेगी तो उसकी शादी के लिए लड़का तलाशना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। नहीं माँ, यदि दिव्या पढ़ लेगी तो वो खुद कोई व्यवसाय या पेशा चुन लेगी। वो डॉक्टर या टीचर या जो चाहे बन सकती है माँ। आपको पता है आज भी कई देशों में महिलाएं राष्ट्रपति और प्रधानमंत्री हैं और फिर धीरे धीरे हमारा समाज भी बदल रहा है। और इन दिनों लोग चाहते हैं कि उनके पढ़े लिखे जीवन साथी हो। दिव्या, मैं कर लूंगी, तुम जाओ और पढ़ाई करो। अपनी दादी की बातों पर बुरा मत मानना, वो अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं कर पाए और थोड़ी पुराने विचारों की हैं, लेकिन वो तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हैं।
माँ, आप तो जानती हो कि जब दादी मेरी पढ़ाई पर और घर के कामों में हाथ न बताने पर तान देती हैं तो मुझे बुरा लगता है।
दिव्या, दुखी मत होना, मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ और घर के सारे काम मैं संभाल लूंगी।
धन्यवाद मेरी प्यारी माँ, मेरा वादा है माँ, तुम्हें मुझ पर गर्व होगा। तुम्हें पता है आर्यन, मुझे कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि मानो लड़कियों का जन्म केवल संघर्ष करने और घर का काम करने के लिए ही होता है।
ऐसा क्यों कह रही हो दिव्या?
मेरी दादी नहीं चाहती कि मैं पढ़ाई करूं, वो तो चाहती है कि मेरी शादी हो जाए। उनकी सोच बहुत रूढ़िवादी एवं सीमित है। वे चाहती है कि लड़कियां केवल चूल्हा चौका करें और घर से बाहर कदम न रखें।
दिव्या, तुम क्यों परेशान होती हो? चलो हम कक्षा में चलते हैं। दिव्या, हमारा कानून भी लड़कियों को 18 वर्ष से कम उम्र में शादी करने की अनुमति नहीं देता।
यही तो मेरी माँ भी कहती हैं। वे हमेशा मुझे पढ़ाई करने और प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करती हैं।
तुम प्रतिभाशाली छात्रा हो और तुम्हें इस वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता में जरूर भाग लेना चाहिए। हमारे समाज में लड़कियों को उच्च शिक्षा के लिए नहीं जाने देने की परंपरा रही है, लेकिन तुम भाग्यशाली हो कि तुम्हारी माँ तुम्हें इतना सहयोग करती है और तुम्हें पढ़ने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करती है।
धन्यवाद आर्यन।
हेलो दिव्या, कैसा लग रहा है?
जो तुमने मुझे प्रेरित किया उसके लिए धन्यवाद। सचमुच तुम्हारी बातों का फायदा हुआ और मैं शांत मन से तैयारी कर पाई।
ये सुनकर मुझे अच्छा लगा। प्रतियोगिता के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट।
धन्यवाद आर्यन।
इस वर्ष की जिला वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता की विजेता है दिव्या। अच्छी शिक्षा होने के कारण दिव्या इतनी जागरूक और आत्मविश्वास से भरपूर होकर बोली, दिव्या, हम तुम्हें 3 साल के लिए स्कॉलरशिप और पुरस्कार के रूप में लैपटॉप देंगे। लड़कियों और लड़कियां दोनों की पढ़ाई में सहयोग देना जरूरी है ताकि दोनों को समान अवसर मिले। हमारे साथ इस समारोह में शामिल होने के लिए धन्यवाद। बधाई हो दिव्या।
धन्यवाद दादी।
मैं पढ़ी लिखी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अब पढ़ाई का महत्व समझ गई हूँ। मुझे तुम पर गर्व है बेटा।
सभी इंसान के शारीरिक और भावनात्मक समग्र विकास में एक दूसरे से परस्पर संबंध का बहुत महत्व है। एक दूसरे की भावना पर ध्यान देना, सुनना
समझना जरूरी है। ये कौशल हमें हमारे आसपास के लोगों, दोस्त, भाई बहन, माता पिता या शिक्षक जो भी हो, सबके साथ सकारात्मक संबंध बनाकर रखने की क्षमता देते हैं। हमें दूसरों के प्रति सहानुभूति होती है और भावनात्मक संबंध बनता है। इसके बाद हम उनकी जरूरतों को लेकर अधिक संवेदनशील होते हैं और इससे हमारे बीच अटूट संबंध बनता है।
Now we must have the interpersonal relationship between our near and dear, maybe the parents or relatives or outside of the house. First, so what is interpersonal relationship? A strong, deep or close association between two or more people that may be for a short or long duration is referred as interpersonal relationship. They are based on the friendship, love, support, regular work interaction or some other type of social commitment. Now, what is the objective? To develop interpersonal skills in building and nurturing relationship with family, friends and community, to deal with unhealthy relationship, to develop the skills of empathetic communication that helps nurture relationship, and the skills required to deal with unhealthy relationship in a certain manner, to develop skills on how to work as a team. So there are 6 modules. First, understanding other emotions, that is discussing situations, nurturing positive relationships, brainstorming, dealing with unhealthy relationships, case study, communicating assertively, role play, building harmonious relationships, case study, and resolving conflict, role play. In role play you must have to play the role. Okay? Now first, understanding other emotions. What are the outcomes? Identifies various emotions first. Demonstrates understanding of other thoughts and emotions. Situation 1. Reena and Pintu came home late after playing. As they entered the house, Dad said, Reena, what's the time? I have told you hundreds of times to be back before dark. Reena said, you always scold me and never say anything to Pintu. Dad said, don't compare yourself to him. He is a boy. Second situation, Savannah and Sarita are very good friends. Savannah is very scared of maths. Sarita is good at maths and always helps her before the exam. The same thing happened before their midterm exam. When the result came out, Savannah scored way more than Sarita. So in first situation, what would you do? In first situation, ma'am,
इसमें जो इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप है, इसका मतलब है पारस्परिक संबंध। एक दूसरे के साथ जो संबंध होता है, जो उसी के यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब करना है, तो इसमें है कि रीना और पिंटू 2 भाई बहन हैं, दोनों लेट आया। अब पापा उसको बोल रहे हैं कि तुम कंपेयर क्यों करती हो? बेटी बोली पापा को, अरे पापा बोले कि तुम लेट क्यों आई, तुमको इस समय तक आ जाना चाहिए। तो बेटी बोली कि आप भाई को क्यों नहीं बोल रहे? तो अब वो बोल रही है कि बेटी बोल रही है कि आप बेटी बोली पापा को, आप भैया को क्यों नहीं बोल रहे? तो फिर पापा उससे बोल रहे हैं कि डोंट कंपेयर, अपनी तुलना लड़कों से मत करो। तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? तो ये क्या उस लड़की का अधिकार है या फिर उस बेटा होने से उसको अधिकार मिल जाता है कि किसी भी समय आए, किसी भी समय जाए?
Yes, gender bias, very good.
Gender bias which usually happen in the Indian family.
Yeah.
So here as a parents, we must not discriminate boys or girls. Equal opportunity. If the boys are instructed to stay till dark, if the girls are instructed to stay till dark, then boys should not. Then boy also should not stay. Should not before the evening time. So there should not be any kind of discrimination as a parent and a teacher also. Both the gender should be treated equally.
Good, very good answer.
Adding to this, I also wanted to say the same. There should not be any comparison in any department or anywhere for the equally. God has created everyone equally. So there should not be any comparison. And it is said, Mahila Sashakti, that is the
women empowerment.
Women empowerment, yes. So nobody should think that the women are less than men, or women also should not think that men are less than women. All are equal. No comparison, no that.
In situation 2, who will explain? Sir.
Situation 2 is, Amit sir, who is the manager? Situation 2 is, Shavana and Sarita both are good friends. Shavana is very good, very scared of math. Sarita is good at math and always help her before the exam. The same things happened before their midterm exam. When the result came out, Shavana scored way more than Sarita. Right? Shavana और Sarita दोनों दोस्त है. Shavana मैथ में बहुत अच्छी है, तो Sarita को हमेशा हेल्प करती है. Right? अब जब एग्जाम आया, जब रिजल्ट आया, तो Shavana का रिजल्ट Sarita से अच्छा है. इसका क्या है?
Same thing in our life happening, sir. When in studying in class 8, our friends Aman Umar, they teach me how to solve mathematics. And that time I will get 28 marks in mathematics, and our friends they got 73 marks in mathematics. He is the topper student, but he teach me after teaching, I more and more hard work doing at home. Then I got 96 marks in final exam, and our student they got 74 marks in mathematics. So same condition is there. If you will do work hard, regularly do work hard, then you will got highest marks. So behind this hard level. Yeah. So here is cooperations and hard work.
To do anything, you can help to your classmate, your friends in any way. Just that is the cooperation. Yes.
In just previous slide, the word was empathy. The word was empathy. It means that we are not orally to say that I will help you, I will help you. Rather, we should help them, and that will work. And one more thing I want to say, in the first that man is saying that gender biasness. It's okay. There is an advertisement in Scooty. Priyanka Chopra used to say why all fun boys should have. That was Miss girls also want to have fun. Yes, it is equally right. But in Hindi literature, there is a statement that अगर किसी पुरुष में महिलाओं के गुण आते हैं तो महान हो जाते हैं, और अगर किसी महिला में पुरुषों के गुण आते हैं तो वो उल्टा हो जाता है. So this is not a biasness. What the positivity, what the things we are giving, that is more important. For the parents, Lakshman Rekha was not mentioned for Sita. Lakshman Rekha stood for Ravan. Right now, if you see that Lakshman Rekha, Lakshman clearly requested many times, please don't cross the line. Means Sita can cross. That's why he is requesting. And Sita crossed the line, then Ravan what happened. So this is not a biasness, this is the awareness, careness for our girl child. This is awareness or careness. We are not bounding our girl child or female to go away. Right now, it is our protectiveness. Maybe sometimes it is wrong, but it is the reality. Freedom for you all, but same time it is our responsibility also to protect them.
No. The thing is that one statement of William Shakespeare, listen carefully. Shakespeare has said, those people never mind who have mind, and those people always mind who haven't mind. The whole scenario is that. If you understand that, then it's good. Next.
सवाना तो मेहनत करके वो आगे बढ़ गए, लेकिन सरिता जो पीछे हो गई तो इसका कारण हेल्प हुआ या
यहाँ सरिता को निगेटिव मत ना वो ये दिखाया गया तो उसमें उसको प्रमोट किया। मैंने भी हो सकता है कि सपोर्ट में उसके अपने स्टडी को फोकस नहीं किया होगा, इस वजह से उसको मार्क्स कम आए।
सर इसका नेगेटिव आंसर हम बिल्कुल नहीं लेंगे, सब पॉजिटिव आंसर ये लेंगे कि सरिता उसके मोटिवेशन को एक्सेप्ट कर ले खरगोश और खरे के लिए, ठीक है। उसको रियलाइज था कि आई एम इंफीरियर, so I have to work hard. And Sabina, maybe, I am saying maybe, this is the empathetic relationship between the two friends.
Now, situation 5 is there. Today is Jamie's first day in the new school. The teacher asked him to sit next to Ranjan. Jamie tries to interact with Ranjan, but Ranjan does not talk to him much. During the lunch break, Jamie looks at his crutches and thinks that he will never have friends. He starts having his lunch alone. That's when Suraj comes to him and invites him to join his group for lunch. Isolation, yes. Who will explain? Sir, आप बोलिए सर, आपको अपना जी देखा।
सर ये सिचुएशन ये कह रहा है कि आज जेमी का स्कूल में पहला दिन है, ठीक है। उसके बाद द टीचर आस्क्ड हिम टू सिट नेक्स्ट टू रंजन, उसको रंजन के बगल में बिठा दिया। अब क्या है, जेमी ट्राई टू इंटरेक्ट, रंजन से वो दोस्ती करना चाहा, बट रंजन डज नॉट टॉक टू हिम मच, लेकिन रंजन उसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा बात नहीं किया। ड्यूरिंग द लंच ब्रेक, जेमी लुक्स एट हिज crutch and thinks he will never have friends. अब वो देख रहा है कि उसके पास कोई दोस्त भी नहीं है। He start having his lunch alone. वो अकेले अपना लंच करना शुरू कर दिया। Today when Suraj comes to him and invite him to join his group for lunch. अब उसके बाद जो सूरज आया और उसको बोला अब मेरे साथ ज्वाइन करो। तो ये क्या है? दो दोस्त है, एक नया दोस्त आया स्कूल में, एक नया बच्चा आया स्कूल में, क्लास टीचर ने तो कहीं और बिठाया साथ में, उसको उसने इग्नोर कर दिया। अब वो इंफीरियर हो गया। अब ऐसे कंडीशन में कोई दूसरा बच्चा आया तो उसको वो एक्सेप्ट करके बिठाया। अब क्या?
बच्चे से उसका ज़्यादा लगाव रखा है। एक बच्चा को ज़्यादा ज़्यादा